Tinam. So, welcome to another episode of Nishta Teaches Others. So, we're going to start with photography. And like you previously have seen, um, yeah, so you have to basically you have to go to photopea.com and then you click on open from computer. All right, I'm going to pause my screen because otherwise you see all my elements. Okay. So basically you open from computer and then you open a template. So I'll open again the training file for my Marwa. Now it's loading. Photopea sometimes takes this beautiful time to load. Okay, you see here, this is what we did last time, right? So basically, yeah, so I think you asked start from the beginning. One moment, I'm going to see what you asked me to start with. Okay, so you asked me to make sure you add layers from the beginning. Okay, see, from the beginning, it's the same process and what's already there. See, when you open a file, it is one layer. So for example, file, open, and then you will have to click on, a layer. This is a picture, right? You click on the picture and then becomes separate layer, but this is called background. So that is basically how you add the first layer. So when you have this layer and you want to put it in the other file, what you can do, so there might be other options, but this is the only one that was working for my computer. Um, Basically, you have to go to central copy. Sorry. Yeah. So central copy and yeah, one moment. Yeah, so basically central copy on your keyboard background, and then it will, you have to go to the layer itself to this file. Or see, I'm putting this on this file because this is the working file, but you can also copy paste it back on this file. See, then there's another layer, right? But this is background. Sometimes background is locked. You have to check if it's locked. Sometimes it will be locked. Actually, in Photoshop, it will like usually be locked. But if it's not locked, you can just change and edit it the background. So that is the first. This is how you copy layers. You have to go to central copy layer and then central V paste. And you have to first click on the layer, like one layer. So when you click on this, the other layer will come on the top. See here? Background copy. Because I copied this layer like this. You see? So then it becomes another layer on top of each other. And then, uh, yeah, the beautiful thing is you can edit layers. I will just show you how to edit layers. By editing layers, you're going to make sure that you can remove a part of the layer so the layer underneath it will be shown, so you can play with that. So you click on this layer and then you click on this button, the add raster mask, and then you click on this white triangle, and then you click on like this kind of brush tool, and then you make it bigger. And then you can remove, you have to make it black by clicking black. Then you can remove this part. If there's a different layer underneath, it will show as a different expression. One moment. I'm doing two things at the same time. One moment. You finish this and make multiple videos then, because I'm just getting messages from all over the place. So you see, you remove this and then you put a color, for example, on top of this. Paint bucket tool, and you put black. You can see you remove this part of the layer. You see that black layer here? Same way you can see here. Now you see the layer underneath, right? And when you make this more opacity, less, then you see the layer underneath. So there will be different layers that you can play with. That is the context. And then like you see how you can play beautifully with all layers, and it's a beautiful, like, harmonious way of working, all of that. Okay, so this is the first video, because I need to just respond to someone on chat. So I'll just send this to you now, and then after that I will create more videos. Thank you so much, man.